In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete products on your Wix store. So for this, you want to go to Wix, go to your store, click on select and edit site, and then open up the Wix Editor. So I'm going to do that right now. Site actions and then edit site. And here we are inside the Wix Editor. So first of all, you want to click on your My Store icon right there. Right there, you'll then find add products, click on it. Then it's gonna load all of this, and then right there, if you just go back to the main menu, you'll find your store products right here. Click on that, click on discard changes, and then click on products right there. And here, this is where you can find all of your products that are on your store. You can then click on these three dots and then click on delete, and that's pretty much how you can delete products from your Wix store. You can also select all of them and then let's see, delete them right there. But that's how you can do this. So if this quick video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that. Let me know in the comments down below if this works, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.